This is David Williams, and I served as the staff director of the Commission to Build a Healthy America. To me, one of the really striking things is that within the group of commissioners, there was not much ideological fighting and wrangling over the data and over the evidence. It's almost like once you've explained it, people say, that makes so much sense, but they hadn't thought of it that way before. And just to give an example, I remember a meeting that myself and one of the commission staff had at the White House with members from the president's urban policy team. And I remember in talking to them about the commission's recommendations, one of the president's urban policy advisors says, this makes so much sense. I've always been in support of many of the things you're talking about, but I had never thought about them in terms of health. I had thought of them in terms of economic development and community development and what they would mean, but the health benefit is really exciting, and that's an added benefit I'd never thought about. And for him, it was truly, it was that kind of aha moment that he was aware of some of the areas in which we had made recommendations and had thought about them, but not in terms of their health impact. So it was for him an exciting new discovery that, health was an added benefit. I think there are more and more organizations now and more leaders in different sectors of society talking about the fact that health is more than healthcare, and that as a society we need to give greater emphasis to prevention. There's greater recognition that health doesn't happen inside a physician's office or hospital or medical center, but health really happens in the places where we spend most of our time. Our homes, our communities, our schools, our workplaces, and that there are real opportunities to invest in those places to make it easier for individuals to make healthy choices. And then there are benefits that can be reaped to communities and to organizations as a result of doing that. The good news out of the Commission's work is that when Americans identify a problem and come together in a concerted manner to address it, a lot is possible.